What's going on YouTube? Another video on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This one's going to show you basically what I have on my iPhone and how I have it set up, all the apps that I have installed and stuff like that. It's going to be a pretty brief video. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I do have a tempered glass screen protector. And then I use wireless charging. I don't think I ever plugged this phone in since I've had it. Cameras are excellent, battery life 2 days easy. But I'm going to go ahead and unlock my device real quick and let you guys know what I have on here installed. And you guys can see that I have the basic pre-installed apps. I have FaceTime, photos, clock, Apple Maps been working pretty good for me. I use Apple CarPlay and the Maps is pretty legit, man. So far hasn't steered me wrong. Then I got my calendar, my settings, App Store. I use Safari as my main browser. And then I got iOS apps, calculator, stuff like that. It's already pre-installed except for Double Take. Double Take's a pretty nice app which allows you to use all three cameras at once. Maybe I'll do a video on that later. Then we got the weather, the wallet for Apple Pay. I got the App Store, and I do have Samsung Galaxy Watch because that's what I use. I still have my Galaxy, what is it, my Gear Sport. So I still use that watch, and then I got a couple of other App Store, Apple Music, which I have like 1 month left. And I have utilities app here, which I basically apps that I have. I don't use as much as I normally would. I got my Samsung health app there since I'm using the Gear Sport watch. I keep track of my sleeping and all that. Let me see what else. Then I got shopping app or shopping folder, where I got all my apps that I use to shop with, like Walmart, Amazon, and I got a couple banking apps in there also. So if you guys are curious to any apps that I have shown you guys, just comment down below and I'll probably go in more depth into what they're about. Here I got my Nest app, my Google Home, my YouTube Studio, and my YouTube app. These are basically the only Google apps I have on my phone. I don't use Chrome anymore. And yeah, and then I got my social media folder with the typical corporates. Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. I like TikTok, it's funny. Snapchat I don't really use too much. Instagram and Marco Polo I don't use too much, but yeah. Then I got the regular ones on the bottom, which are the dollar mail. What is this one? This one's a messaging app, or iMessage in the camera. That's all I have on here. I don't have any other. I don't have any. Wow, I can't even pronounce it. I don't know what's going on. I don't have any other pages on here. Maybe just one home screen right there, and then I have widgets over here, which I got weather widget, battery, screen on time, and that's about it. So that's what I have on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment. Catch you guys in another one. We out.